Win-GRAF RPAC and XPAC support the redundant system. The video introduces you to the product page, IP configuration, hardware setup, and software setting. Product page. Search the keyword Win-GRAF to show the list of Win-GRAF PACs. Choose a model to visit the web page. Also enter Win-GRAF W to visit the Win-GRAF page. Download demo programs. The user can download user manual, quick start, datasheet, and software in the download center. Download demo programs for Win-GRAF PAC. IP configuration. Before configuring IP addresses, connect LAN 1 of RPACs to the Ethernet switch. Set the rotary switch of RPACs to 0. Connect the power of RPACs to the power supply and then power on. Enter eSearch in the search bar to visit the web page. Click the download button to download eSearch utility and install this software. Run the eSearch utility. Click the Search Server button to search devices on the network. Set the IP address and subnet mask according to your network environment. Using the same way to set LAN 1 IP address for the backup pack. And then, click the Exit button to close the window. Hardware setup. Before configuring the redundant system, set up the hardware properly. Both powers and LAN 1 ports have been connected in the previous step. Connect COM3 to COM3 and LAN 2 to LAN 2 by using Ethernet cross cables. Set the rotary switch of RPACs to 7 and 9 and then power on. Software setting. Run the Win-GRAF workbench. Restore the demo program to the Win-GRAF. Users can design a security mechanism in the program. For example, if the LAN 1 of active PAC is not available, also the passive PAC and its LAN 1 works normally, the PAC will reboot after 1 second to release the control. Open the iRedundancy I/O board to check the active IP. Change the active IP and mask according to your network environment. Set the communication IP to connect with the main PAC. Download the redundant program to the main PAC. Stop an existing program and download the demo RDN2 program to the main PAC. The LAN 1 address of the main PAC is set to the active IP address now. Stop the connection and change the communication IP address again. Connect to the PAC again. Open the SPI list. The main PAC is active PAC now. For testing the redundant system, you can set variable values or start ticking. In this case, make sure the passive PAC is ready and the LAN 1 works normally. And then, remove the LAN 1 cable of the main PAC to reboot. The LAN 1 of the main PAC is disconnected. The backup PAC takes control of the system. Also the data still exists and timer is ticking. Thanks for your watching. Also refer to the RPAC user manual for more about the redundant system.